friends.
I'm not looking at the camera yet.
Hey friends.
I'm still not looking at the camera.
Hey friends.
Hey friends.
Hey friends.
Thank you for coming back and joining us for la 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 la. So we're just gonna say hey friends and you're gonna say it.
Okay. Hey friends.
Hey friends.
I thought you said I was gonna say it.
We're both gonna say hey friends and then you're gonna say.
So we're both gonna say it. So, all right.
What are you gonna say?
Hey friends.
No, we're both gonna say hey friends and then what are you gonna say? Welcome back to our channel. Blah blah blah.
You're gonna
blah.
say that, and I'm gonna say, if you're a newly subscriber, thank you.
Okay.
Or
No, this same person should say all that.
fine, say it all. Right there.
Hey friends! Thank you for coming back. Blah. Welcome back to our channel. You're just gonna smile.
Hey friends.
Hey friends!
Welcome back to our channel.
No, my face isn't. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, ready, set. Hey friends! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you for joining, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. So today we have an announcement.
We have an announcement.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
You want to tell them?
I thought you were gonna tell them.
Well, we could tell them. We should tell them.
I don't know.
Do y'all want to know?
Do you really want to know?
Do you want to?
Take a guess.
Yeah.
You got a guess?
Okay, pause the screen right now. Pause. Okay, now that you're back, did you leave a comment down below? Did you say what you think we're gonna say?
I don't think they did. I don't think they know. Maybe we should just tell them.
You tell them.
Okay. We gonna tell them?
Okay.
We're going to Disney World! Again!
Yay! I'm so excited! So, I know we just went like 3 months ago.
3 months ago.
But I've been with Disney brain for weeks. I'm so excited. I think the reason that I'm so excited is just because the last 2 or 3 trips we've gone on have only been like 4 or 5 days each.
Yeah.
And
short.
Short little trips.
But sweet.
Yeah, but like I feel like those last couple trips, like finally on our 4th or 5th day, I'm like really relaxed.
Yeah.
Really in the groove of all the Disney stuff.
The Disney
and then we
magic,
have to leave.
Yeah.
But this trip, how long are we going?
8 days.
We're going for 8 days! I'm just so excited. We haven't gone for an 8-day trip since 2017.
Right.
We are staying at Pop. This will be our first time staying at Pop since they've done all of the room renovations. Although last time we stayed at one of the all-star resorts, and I'm pretty sure the renovations there are probably similar to the renovations at Pop.
Which were great renovations.
Yeah, they were good. I would love to stay at one of the moderate or nicer hotels one of these days, but I don't know, I just can't rationalize it right now because we go so often and we really are at the parks from like open to close. Yeah, so we're really sleeping, storing our clothes, and showering. So I think that that's probably why we enjoy staying at Pop and staying at the economy resorts so much, is because we spend so much of our time in the parks.
Yeah.
But we're doing a lot of new stuff this trip. We're doing a lot of nostalgic things this trip. We're doing a lot of things that are kind of sweet to us that we've done before that we're kind of reliving or redoing. So the reason this trip is special is because it is our 1-year wedding anniversary. So we will actually be there on our anniversary, and we're doing a bunch of special things that whole week just to kind of celebrate that.
Yeah. So what are you excited for?
I'm excited for a bunch of stuff. I'm excited for little things like doing the orange bird swirl because we always get the Dole Whip.
Sounds good.
So I'm excited to get that. I'll get a Dole Whip too, but I'm excited to get that. And then I'm excited for bigger things like your surprise.
Oh, jeez.
So we are gifting each other things while we're there. And obviously I know what I got him, but he doesn't know. And I'm so excited to give it to him.
She and I don't know what I got her.
I think you probably should figure that out.
So,
what are you excited for?
Yeah, so we got like this new thing going on our every trip that we go to Walt Disney World. our first day to decompress from traveling, we go to Disney Springs.
Yes.
And it's just a way to walk around and just relax, have great food, soak in the great atmosphere. So I'm looking for that. Looking forward to that again.
Yeah, I really love just like getting off the plane, dropping off our bags in our room, and then going to Disney Springs. It's just kind of like, we're here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So another thing is we're going to go to Cape May. We usually go to Cape May because it's one of my favorite places to eat breakfast. But this time we're not going for breakfast, we're going for dinner. So I can't wait to see the spread that they got around that restaurant. So really excited about that. I love eating their food. I love Disney food in general. Another thing is we're going to reenact our first date night. So the very first time Amanda and I went to Walt Disney World, we went to Shula's, Shula's Steakhouse, and
that was like our first like Disney date together.
It was a Disney date night,
Yeah.
and we're gonna remake that and relive that on our 1 year anniversary night. So that's gonna be great.
Really special, I think. Yeah.
What's really gonna be cool is what we're gonna do is something that we've never done before, and I'm really excited that we're about to do it. Is we're gonna do 4 parks in one day.
I'm so stoked for that. So I know that we're gonna be exhausted, and I don't think like our 4-park 1-day challenge day isn't until like day 5, I think. So like we'll already be tired from the 5 days previous or the 4 days previous. But I don't even care. Like we're gonna wake up at the butt crack of dawn. We have a really early breakfast reservation that morning at Olivia's. I think it's like at 7:45 a.m. or 8 a.m. something like that. And then we are going from park to park to park to park all day, and we're gonna end at Magic Kingdom so that we can take like a victory shot in front of the castle, and we're gonna eat Casey's, and we're gonna get like quick service food on Main Street, and we're just gonna relax on Hub Grass for the rest of the evening once we've completed all 4
It's gonna be a lot of bus connections, a lot of rides. We're gonna at least do 2 rides in each park, or try to have like a little food snack quick service kind of thing at each park. But it's going to be a challenge, and we're up for it, and we're going to do it.
Another thing I'm excited for is Flower and Garden. So Flower and Garden is, I think, probably my favorite festival of all the festivals that they do. I do love Christmas time, like the holiday overlay, but I just love Flower and Garden. It's so nostalgic for me. I think that was the first festival I ever went to, and I think I was like 12 or 11. But I love the flowers and the butterflies, and I love all the little food kiosks that are around all the countries. So I'm excited to get into Epcot too and to try all the different food. Yeah. So that is our big announcement.
Did you guess it?
We hope that you come along. Right now at this moment, we are about 10 days out, but we are going to vlog the whole thing, and we're going to have lots of new content and lots of new vlogs, and we can't wait to share it all with you. So stick around.
Stay happy, friends.
Bye.